8 months of this, more than half a year.
8 months of genocide apologia.
8 months of the most outrageous lies you're ever likely to hear.
8 months of seeing children's bodies ripped to pieces and starved to skeletons on our social media feeds.
8 months of Western government officials pretending obvious evidence of war crimes is just some ineffable mystery that we'll hopefully have answers to someday.
8 months of Israeli officials openly stating their genocidal intentions in Hebrew for the Israeli audiences and paying lip service to human rights in English for the Western liberal audience.
8 months of the Western political media class trying to frame the direct sponsorship of an active genocide as something other than what it is.
8 months of passive-aggressive headlines. Palestinian child walks into bullet.
8 months of insulting our intelligence.
8 months of insulting our humanity.
8 months of irreplaceable loss.
This needs to end.